Okay, so here's a window. I think it's original from 1990. When I moved in, this piece right here was water damaged and heaving. It was wintertime when I moved in. That's been several years ago. So I've since removed the trim, removed this board, and here's what I got. This piece here, you can see it's water damaged all the way across. See these little lines? I'm sure that's water damage. And the water's been dripping, so it looks like it's been pooling here and then draining down this way. As you can see, it stops right along. Well, it kind of goes along here too. I don't see a lot of water damage on this piece here. A little bit of water staining right there. Looks like there's been some foam insulation put in here. So I don't know where the water's coming from or if it's all originating over this way and dripping down. Don't really see a lot of foam in here. See some caulk and some gaps. So I'm wondering if I just fill this area in with some expanding foam and then replace all my boards with new stuff, if I might be okay. I don't really see any mold. So this is rotten though. That right there is rotten. So should I do anything with this board here? Or do I need to remove the window? I don't know, this is a tough one. Let me know what you think.